Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Manyo Pure Cleansing Water. This product retails for $37. So this is the next first cleanse launch from Manyo. You all know how much I love their cleansing balm and their cleansing oil. They have both personally worked great for me. This product I'm excited about because this is a micellar water release from Manyo. They claim it is suitable for sensitive skin, so I'm excited to see what I notice with it. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The main things I'm going to be looking for with this product mainly include how well does it cleanse, does it leave a finish on the skin, and also do I feel like it is designed for sensitive skin. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. This is also going to be a first impression. I've had this product for a little while and I just haven't tried it yet, but first of all, you get so much of this product. And my cap already broke, which that's great, but I think that was just a me problem. I think this dropped off of a shelf. First impression feeling it has come out very easily. I mean, with a micellar water, I haven't tried very many on this channel. They are extremely lightweight and you usually use a cotton round to dispense this product. So I just soaked a cotton round. Now I am just wearing a tinted sunscreen right now. I am interested to see how it removes that. I just got out of the shower. Initially, I'm not experiencing any stinging. You can see there, it did a pretty good job. I wasn't wearing very much of a tinted sunscreen. I guess that was how much was left after my shower. I'm not sure how this product is going to perform long term. It did do a pretty good job to remove. As for how this product continues to perform, I will have to keep you all posted on that. Right now, I'm not experiencing any redness, any irritation, or anything obscure with this product. I mean, a micellar water is very self-explanatory. I'm excited to see what else I continue to notice with it. I will keep you all posted, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This was a very simple and effective cleansing water in my opinion, and it did the job when it comes to cleansing, which is really all you can ask for in a first cleanse. Manyo claims that this is designed for sensitive skin, and I feel like that claim is accurate because I experienced no sensitivity when using this product. This also was a very effective cleansing water, and it did great to remove my tinted sunscreen. If I just wore a sunscreen or a light skin tint, those are the main things I tested out with this cleansing water, and it did a great job to remove all of those. Additionally, I saw no breakouts come up with this, and I feel like that micellar water is a better option sometimes for acne-prone skin. If you are someone who struggled with breakouts from their cleansing oil, I am not personally someone who did, but if you are, this may be a great option to turn to because, like I said, sometimes in the past I've heard of people with acne doing better with micellar waters than they do with cleansing oils or cleansing balms. Just go off of your skin's tolerance. I saw nothing negative with it. It really didn't do much for my skin except for cleanse, and that is exactly what it was designed to do. So I would 100% recommend trying out this product. I feel like it was a very great option. It did the job. It says it's designed for sensitive skin, and I personally didn't experience anything negative with it, so I would 100% recommend trying out this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.